Today we're unboxing and testing the Wolf Air 25 compressor. Hello, I'm Griffiths, welcome to Winning Griffith. Here we talk everything beekeeping, farming, countryside living, and we do reviews as well. Now today is a wet, rainy day and I'm in the sheds building beehives. And I've just taken delivery of this Wolf Air compressor. Now, I haven't bought this compressor to pump up tractor tyres because this is a very small compressor, but I've got a specific job for it to do. Now, I bought this to use as a spray gun to spray beehives in the shed, make that job a lot quicker. Doing it with a brush just takes too much time, so I wanted a small compressor in this shed because the big compressor you got on the farm, that's on the other side of the yard, it's just too far to drag that across. So I just wanted something small in here. And a quick look online, eBay, Amazon, this was the cheapest one on the market. Came with a set of tools, so we'll unbox everything out on camera, fire it up, and then we'll test it. Let's get into it. Well, there it is. Quite happy with what it looks. The paint looks very good. Everything's nice and shiny, nice and clean, no dents. Everything feels quite solid. Now some little bit of construction or building work here. We've got to build, put the wheels on. And then the stopper will go on that piece. We've probably got this as an air filter, I would have thought. Yeah, that's the air filter. That's gonna just screw on there. That's quite easy to do. Now that there is for the oil. Now hopefully I can lift this plug up quick and easy. No, it's not going to go with that. Get the knife on that, peel that open. And that's out. Now on the side here, there's an inspection window, and you can see there's a red dot in the middle. And this says that you've got to fill the oil up to the red dot. So that's the first job we're going to do. We're going to do that right now. Spot on. And there's still a little bit of oil left in there for later on. Now that piece screws in there. Surprising I remember all this. I haven't built a compressor for a long time. Right, that's nice and tight. We'll just put this on hand tight for now. And that's it. That's all the building and the maintenance even you do to it. Now, a bit of research. There's two types of compressors. You can get an oilless one or one with oil like this. Apparently, one with oil will last a lot longer than an oilless one. I'm not that bothered about this, but this is oil, so hopefully this is going to last a few years. It's just a cheap little compressor. So there's nothing left. Open this up, connect it all up, put the power on, see if it works. Okay, so as part of this deal, I had a tyre inflator. The important bit for me, which is the spray gun. This obviously screws down on top of that. We've got, not really sure what this is. This is some kind of a spray gun, but it's not a spray gun, but whatever you use that for, I've never really used that. Air gun, so if you're maintaining a chainsaw or something, you want to clean something, you've got your air line. And a little bit of hose. Now we'll connect this up straight away. So on the compressor, you've got 2 gauges, and one of these is a regulated one. So you've got the control here, you can slacken it off or tighten it up. So that's slackening the pressure off, that's increasing it. So I can't remember where this one or that one is the unregulated one, but one of them will take the full pressure out all the time. The other one, if you're spraying and you wanted to lower the pressure coming through, you've got the control on that. And simple, these come with the fittings already on. Push that in, all these stuff is push fit. And if I were to connect it on the airline. And first impressions, I'm quite impressed with the stuff I got here. All this is metal, it's not plastic stuff. I bought cheapy compressors back in the day and everything's been plastic and a bit cheap and a bit rubbish. For a cheap compressor, quality here feels pretty good. So there's nothing left in now. I'm gonna plug this under the mains, see if it works. So she's plugged in. Let's see what happens. That's the safety shut off. It's gone up there, almost 120 psi. And she's turned off, good. So if that didn't work, compressor just keep pumping till something bursts. But that's the safety mechanism there, switched off like it should, and that just filled up roughly a little bit over a minute and a half. So yeah, that's pretty good. Right. So I've got the air line on. Fair bit of pressure with that, enough to knock my hat off. That's pretty good. Now see how easy this is to take off under pressure. So you just pull that back, comes straight off. Let's put the tyre gauge on. That's working like it should. And a spray gun, we'll be testing this out in a bit. Now as the pressure comes down, this automatically kicks in to bring the pressure up there. Now let's just see which one of these is the regulated one. So if I bring that, turn that left, bring that pressure right down, you can see this is coming down. You can hear it releasing the air. Yeah, so this here is the regulated one, the one on the other side is not. So depending how much you want to spray, if you want to put it on lightly, that's the pressure. So you can bring this up then, you can see that gauge going up. If I bring it right back up to the top, instantly you've got more power. So I mean, for such a small generator, and I mean all this cost a little bit over 100 quid delivered, and I send a lot of stuff in the post myself. I know how expensive postage is, so this is exceptionally good value. It's worked as it should, straight from the box. little building, just the wheels, top the oil up, and that was pretty much it. So there's nothing left to it. I'm going to bring a big stack of honey supers down here and I'm going to put some oil in this, and we're going to paint it down. Well, I've got to be honest, I'm really impressed with this compressor. I think I was a couple of seconds. I painted 10 super boxes where if you were to do that with a brush, I'd still be there for the next hour or so doing it. For such a small compressor, they had plenty of power, blew straight through it. This is going to do exactly what I wanted to do, and I've got to say, still early days because literally I've just used it for a couple of seconds, but I'm exceptionally happy and very impressed with what this little machine has done. But I've got a lot of stuff to paint with it this year, so it will be put through its test and time will tell if it's a good one. Wolf Air, I think they've been around the UK for a while now. According to the website, there's plenty of spare parts etc. available, so I think you can buy with a little bit of confidence. It's not just it's here now, it's going to be gone tomorrow type of make. You can maintain and get parts for this compressor, so that's good. Well, that's it. You've seen it unboxed, you've seen me assemble it, and you've seen me work it. There's nothing else I can do. It's just a thumbs up from me. Well, if you like this video and you want to watch more of the same kind of content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I try my best to put a new video every week. Thanks for watching.